Back. Problem 12. fx is sine to the power 5 of x. What that really means is fifth power of sine x. So the outer function is power 5. Derivative 5 comes down, reduces by 1. Inside stays put. Once the power 5 is handled, times, now you go inside and take its derivative, cosine x. So that is 5 sine x power 4 times cosine x. So when they are asking for derivative at 2, you simply substitute 2 for x. Okay, next problem. fx is cosine of sine of x squared. So notice there is two composition there. So outside function is cosine, its derivative is negative sine. Keep the inside as it is. Now times, you are going to take derivative of the inside, which also is a composition. So its outer function is sine, whose derivative is cosine. Keep the inside as it is. And then at times derivative of the innermost function. You see, that's why it's called chain. You're coming from outside in. So negative sine of x to the power 2 close times cosine x to the power 2 close times 2x. You're going to take all this and evaluate it when x is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Next problem. Here, this calls for product rule. Something complicated times something complicated. Okay? So, product rule. Derivative of the first. This is first a power rule, inside as it is, times derivative of the object inside. Okay, that's the derivative of the first, second as it is, plus first as it is, derivative of the second. Power comes down and power is reduced by 1, and then you go inside, take its derivative. All right, so this is 4 6x squared plus 8 power 3. Then you go inside, take its derivative, 12x, and then the second one as it is. Remember, 13 has 2 keystrokes, so you need parentheses. Plus, that's derivative of the first, second as it is. Now first as it is. Now derivative of the second. I'm going to bring down the 13, so maybe I'll say times 13 negative 6x power 2 plus 5 power parentheses 12 times derivative of the object inside, negative 12x. Okay, next. Again, a product rule. So cube root is power 1/3. Okay, so that's why sorry, derivative of the first, this guy, derivative is simply 2x, second as it is, plus first as it is, derivative of the second, 1/3 comes down, and the power is reduced by 1, object inside is the same, then derivative of the second, the object inside. All right. So remember 1/3 minus 1. Let's simplify that. That is negative 2/3. Okay. So 2x, x to the power 2 plus 2 power parenthesis 1/3 plus x squared plus 10 1/3 x squared plus 2 power parenthesis negative 2/3 times 2x. Okay, next problem. 1 over this power 6. Rewrite it with negative exponent, right? Now this is chain rule. So negative 6 comes down, reduces by 1, inside continues to be the same. Then once you're done with that, then you go inside, take its derivative. 16x to the third. Negative 6 times 4x to the power 4 plus 3 power parentheses negative 7 times 16x to the power 3. Okay, so that completes section 2.5. Next lectures will start on section 2.6. Until then, bye.